What's the card you picked?
It's AMELIORATE.
Oh, okay. Emerald. Okay. I don't know what that is. You don't know what it is. But tell me, put the card on your keyboard and get a look at it and show me what that sounds like to you.
All right.
I just want to see what that might sound like to you. If you could take a picture and make a sound from it, what it sounds like through your fingers. Is there a number on the card?
Yeah, it's 69.
All right. Oh, it's a Cancer sign. That's cool. 69. See what that feels like. Take your time, my sweet.
And just like here, so what do these symbols mean?
That's exactly it. Those on the back of the card means manifestation.
What does that mean?
Manifestation, it's a symbolic meaning to help bring what you want to you. Like making a wish and it coming true. Mm-hmm. The symbolic meaning on the back of the card means pretty much that. I made a wish and I want it to come true. The picture of the frequency, it's a frequency, actually. And you want to know what the card says. It says, if you have been drawn this card, let yourself feel a renewed hope and faith and a sense that you are truly blessed by the universe at this time. You are entering a loving phase in your life filled with calm energy, mental stability, and deeper understanding of both yourself and others around you. This card encourages you to have faith in yourself and to believe in yourself. This card is anything to you that over the long term you should have faith and trust in the universe. Easier said than done, but a better future is waiting for you. In order to experience it, you must entertain the idea that it is indeed possible. You have endured life's challenges and have been through a difficult time, but you are now open to healing and transformation. Allow hatred, envy, bitterness, and revenge to burn themselves out so they no longer shadow your life or get in the way of your potential for future happiness. Take a good look at the painful events in your past. Open your mind wide enough to see the events as to see them as gifts, each one brought to you. It's deep. That pretty much means your dreams are coming true in life. And if your dream is to play music all the time and create it, maybe it's happening for you, sweetheart. What do you think about that? Would that make you happy? Besides taking pictures of lightning? Ooh, this is AMELIORATE. Teal, this is for you. That's a nice card.